Good Monday morning. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Trevor Gibbs. Off to a foggy start across much of the area, including Metro Jacksonville this morning. But that will improve by the afternoon and temperatures will warm up. It's going to feel like spring again this afternoon and even warmer than that later this week. But as you head out the door this morning, be on the lookout for some of that fog. Pretty dense across the area, especially up and down the I-95 corridor out towards the beaches. So a high impact there for the commute. Temperatures, though, are just fine. We're sitting in the 50s, so that's pretty comfortable, and we are dry, so no rainfall. But here's that dense fog advisory through 9 o'clock this morning. The lowest visibilities are across our northern Florida counties, and we also have a dense fog advisory out over the coastal waters as well. That's for the sea fog that will have a tendency to linger near the immediate ocean front even into the afternoon hours possibly. So that'll help to keep the beaches cooler today, but inland will warm up into the 70s later this morning into the afternoon. So foggy start this morning, turns partly cloudy this afternoon, mid 70s by 1 to 2 o'clock, and even some upper 70s inland today, feeling very much like spring with warmer than average temperatures. Your average high temperature as we begin the month of March is around 72 degrees in the interior today. Will be quite a bit warmer than that, and we're only going up from here. As you can see, over the next 5 days, our temperatures rise well above that average high of 72, even into the lower and mid 80s by Thursday and Friday. It's a mainly dry week here. You'll see a few specks of color on this map for rain over the next 5 days, and that's going to come with an isolated shower at best, with the onshore wind that's going to be in play this week. So wind coming from the ocean moving over land, which may at times bring in a spotty shower or two. But overall, it's a dry week of weather and most spots will not pick up any rainfall. Dry into next weekend as well. Big day on Saturday in Jacksonville. It's the Gate River Run, where we'll track temperatures in the 60s to start, into the 70s by mid and late morning hours, and a little humid with the wind out of the south and east. But at least it is dry and much warmer than the Donna was earlier this year. And as we look ahead into mid-March, as we approach March 12th here, the eastern half of the United States, you see all that red coloring there. That's very high confidence. We'll continue to see warmer than average temperatures, and that does include our entire area. And in this time frame, our average high is 74, so we'll very likely be seeing temperatures even warmer than that. In your 7-day forecast with your weekend always in view, a spring-like week ahead with temperatures in the 70s and 80s each afternoon. Again, with the onshore wind, the beaches will have a tendency to be a little bit cooler in the 60s to 70s. And look out for some of that morning fog. No threat for a frost or freeze anytime soon. Gate River Run on Saturday looks good. We spring the clocks an hour forward with the beginning of daylight saving time early Sunday morning.